Why is she frozen? Bro, I'm tripping. What the fuck? Why is she frozen? Bro, I'm tripping. What the fuck? What the fuck is happening? Gotta go. Get me out.
Ella pues como que una paloma ahí suspendida en el aire, weón. Por lo de esa antena, vea. Ya están los cerdos mirando qué fue lo que pasó. Suspendida en el aire.
They don't move, they just statue there like that. Look at these birds. They don't move at all. Why do they look like that? They're birds. Posed out. Look at the bird, they're posed. Look how they're posed. But they're alive, but they're just, they're not, look, that one over there just doesn't move, it just stays just like that. Stuck.
Hey, did you take the pictures, dude? Shay? At the back. Did it come out? Check this out. Please, not freaking moving. Not moving at all. I'm slowing down just to show that it's not moving. Proof right here, people. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Look at this. Still there. Yeah, that's my point of view, you friggin' knuckleheads.
I would like to say that we are fantastic editors who can put in CGI movements and make trees move in the background and add birds singing, but really, you know, that is...
We wouldn't have a clue how to do that.
We wouldn't know where to begin. We can honestly say this was uploaded straight from our mobile phone as soon as it was recorded, get it on there, and we were just astonished. Hello, my name is Jefferson Pilot. I am 28 and I'm from Plymouth in Devon.
And my name is Megan Oxtoby and I'm originally from Worcestershire in England.
So this was July 2020. It was a very hot day. We took the dogs out for a walk about 11:30 in the morning, and we walked along the fields, and it was such a hot day we decided just to take a little break, catch our breath, have a sip of water, and that's when we noticed our dogs as up in the distance. Looked like they were trying to flush something out. We weren't quite sure what was going on, so we had to get the camera out just to see what was going on. And as we approached forward, that's when we started recording.
We just stopped and noticed that the dogs were completely still and they weren't moving at all. We thought, no, we're going to stay and watch them and see how long they stay like this.
We were just completely captivated by them staying still. It was 4 minutes. It was almost like they were playing a game of musical statues. There was nothing moving except for the bushes at the background, and you could hear the birds singing, and they were just not moving a muscle. In fact, one of our girls had our paws up, did not move one single bit, frozen statue. And it wasn't until about 4 minutes into our video where eventually they all dashed off.
We had this video and it was just incredible, and we couldn't believe what we just saw, and we thought we have to upload this so everyone else can see this amazing experience.
We shared it with the Hungarian Fischler community, and it just spread like wildfire. We had messages of, fellow Hungarian Fischler owners saying they couldn't believe how long they were doing it for and they didn't move a muscle.
I haven't heard of any other dogs doing it.
No,
Have you?
I haven't at all. One article said it was all about energy. It was some supernatural energy which was in the moment at the time. So that sort of got our brains going. I'm a firm believer of the supernatural. When it came to walking our dogs and we captured this video, it was quite unearthly at some points. The part of me which thought it could have been supernatural was, even though on the video you can hear the birds singing and you can hear it's a windy day, I didn't hear any of that. I was so fixated on the girls, of them not moving, that I couldn't hear anything else. Nothing else was around me. It was purely focusing on our girls, wondering what on earth is going on.
It kind of felt like we were in a dream because it was so crazy. We felt like we were dreaming, but it was real life. It actually happened.
Eventually our arm was getting tired because we were filming so long, but it did almost feel like it went against the law of physics. I mean, us as humans, when we try and remain still, I know for a fact, yet when we watch our dogs, they're not moving a single muscle.
It must have hurt being still for that long.
Yeah, it really must have done. Because I know as humans, that would hurt.
We didn't train the dogs at all to stay still. It's just to do it. We didn't teach them or anything like that.
I can't see being taught to them whatsoever. They all work as a big unit. And each role, as Meg said, the youngest one is right at the front to sort out what's going on. The middle-aged dog is in the middle to act as a backup for the leader, and the eldest one's right at the back to do all the background work.
I always wonder if they can read each other's thoughts.
Yeah, 100%. They are definitely communicating with each other, planning strategically.
And we also noticed that after this occasion, they did it a few more times, but they never did it for that long.
It is almost telepathical in a way as well, because when we're at home with the dogs, sometimes they just look at you. You almost get this sort of telepathical message, don't you, of what they're actually asking, which that I can't explain, but that is fascinating. Who knows, there could have been something there that day that was supernatural, and we do like to think about that idea and imagine what if it had been supernatural, what else would have come from it.
So if you ever see your dog stay still, just stay still yourself,
Yeah.
and just watch what happens.
Don't move.